Hey everyone, welcome to Biography and Knowledge.
Jennifer Lopez and Alex Rodriguez may not be breaking up after all. Less than 24 hours after news of the couple's split spread like wildfire. But J.Lo and Rod have reportedly released a joint statement announcing that they are staying together. "We are working through some things," Lopez and Rodriguez said in a joint statement obtained by People. The stars also tells TMZ all the reports are inaccurate. The couple got engaged in March 2019 after about 2 years of dating. News of their breakup was first reported by Page Six on Friday, March 12, and later reposted by the Associated Press. The 51-year-old singer and actress is currently filming the movie Shotgun Wedding in the Dominican Republic, where she posted a photo of herself cozying up with Rodriguez in late February. The former Yankee star recently posted a solo shot in Miami. Rod accompanied Lopez to Washington, D.C. for her performance at President Joe Biden's inauguration on January 20, describing it as an iconic moment that he'll never forget. Lopez took to social media last March to show off her engagement ring, while the two vacationed in the Bahamas. For the majority of the quarantine, the couple has spent time at home with their blended family, including her 13-year-old twins with ex-husband Mark Anthony and Rodriguez's teenage daughters with the former wife Cynthia Curtis. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then do comment, share and subscribe my channel. And yes, press the bell icon so never miss a video on my channel. Bye bye, take care, stay blessed and stay connected.